what a huge savings on this baby boy value pack. Now this is a nice huge pack, but I want to let you know right away that everything that you see here, you will get 2 of. So double this, and that's what you're getting. The exact same die cuts twice, the exact same papers twice. Everything you see twice. So I'm just going to go through this one set, and you know that you'll be getting 2 sets of everything you see. So it starts with these die cuts. These are not self-adhesive. They are cardstock die cuts, but they are ready to pop out. Just like so. It's going to be really easy to pop these out. You're getting tags. You can stamp on these. You can print on these, write whatever you like. You're getting borders. You're getting lots of fun words like cute, sweet, angel, and then blank ones for sure. My first steps. Look, mommy, I'm crawling. Mommy and me, daddy and me. I love the imagery on here. It's so cute. So this is going to be great for a baby book, for scrapbooking, for a planner. You can just use these throughout the month as baby grows. You can also use them on gifts. Oops, and I sort of covered up my other die cut sheet, because remember, you're getting 2 different die cut sheets, but you're getting twice the number because you're getting 2 sets in one huge value pack. We have all of the numbers up here, so that's fun for each month. We have the months, my first bath. So you're really going to be able to journal with these, and you can also do gifts. If, you know, that's going to be useful too. And I love the borders with horses and duckies and planes. So really fun. Then we get into the papers. And everything you see, it's going to be double. So this is kind of a nice look. It looks like those little sponge pieces, those foam rubber pieces that stick together like for mats and puzzles. So that's a cute look. Oh, I think that's upside down. There we go. So we've got airplanes and boats, etc. And it's got a nice textured with blue. And you do get 2 of those, although altogether you're going to get double, so you'll get 4 of those really. We've got nice stripes here, absolutely beautiful, just nice, bright and cheery. You get stars, you get green stars with kind of a diamond pattern, and these are 12 inches by 12 inches. So you're going to be able to use these for a full page for scrapbooking. And since you get 4 of each one of these, you'll get 4 of each, you'll be able to do double page spreads. Or you can just use them in a month by month as baby grows book. So lots of ways to use this for cards too. And that's a huge savings on the baby boy value pack.